Hello there. I'm Kyle Wallace with Karma Fit, and in today's video, we get stable without the horse. I just finished up my lower body workout, so now I'm going to give you a quick recap of how to go through the superset that I did in today's session. This superset is one of my favorites because of its ability to produce gains and prevent injuries at the same time. This superset includes 2 exercises. The first exercise is a traditional back squat performed with a tempo variation. A 5-second eccentric, a 5-second bottom pause, and a normal concentric.
The tempo variation of this exercise places our time under tension in the optimal 30 to 60 second muscle building range. Slowing down the eccentric enhances our control throughout the movement, and the bottom pause enhances our ability to get to depth and maintain stability in the bottom of our squat.
Our second exercise is the adductor plank.
The adductor plank, also known as the Copenhagen plank, is a derivative of the Copenhagen adduction exercise.
The Copenhagen adduction exercise is attributed to researchers in Denmark studying groin injuries. That's right. The Danish are not only masters at Legos and tasty pastries, they're also pretty adept at understanding the relationship between adductor strength, abdominal strength, and groin injuries. The plank variation of this exercise challenges our adductor group.
5 muscles make up our adductor group, a group of muscles that are notoriously weak for many athletes and quite susceptible to injury. If you're like me, you've likely struggled in the past to find exercises that will challenge the strength of your inner thigh. The adductor plank is a great option because it only requires a bench and can easily be regressed by placing your bottom leg on the ground. This will help if you have weak adductors. The higher you lift your bottom leg, the harder the exercise.
The strength of our adductor group is critical to sport movement and performance. It's also important for just daily activities. And for those of us who just want to stay active in the gym, if we have strong adductors, we'll be able to stay active longer. So I'm going to do a quick recap of how to go through this superset.
Our first exercise is the eccentric pause squat. For this exercise, we'll work in the 6 to 4 rep range with a weight that is between 55 to 65% of our 1 rep max back squat. After you perform your reps, rest for about 30 seconds and make your way over to a bench. Then you'll perform the adductor plank for 30 seconds on each side. Rest for 2 minutes between sets. Here's a quick recap for you to take a screenshot.
I've had good success with this superset when I include it towards the beginning of my workout during my hypertrophy block. So in today's session, I started off with some Bulgarian split squats, and then after that, I moved on to this superset. Thanks for watching, friends. Leave us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and let us know what you think about it in the comments section below. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Okay, see you.